The LG Gram 16-inch lightweight laptop is a stunning option for those in need of performance, portability, and style. Powered by Intel's 13th Gen Core i7 processor, this sleek device offers a smooth experience for both work and play, with Intel Iris Xe graphics backing up multitasking demands. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing media, or tackling everyday tasks, this laptop is designed to power through without breaking a sweat. With 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, clocked at an impressive 6,000 MHz, you'll experience near-instant load times and smooth performance even with multiple applications running simultaneously. This much memory is perfect for professionals or creators who need to juggle demanding tasks like large spreadsheets, video editing, or running complex simulations. The 16-inch WQXGA non-reflective IPS display with a 16:10 aspect ratio provides plenty of screen real estate for productivity and entertainment. The color accuracy is exceptional, with 99% DCI P3 coverage, making it a solid choice for creators who need precise colors in their work. The anti-glare feature ensures that you can use the laptop comfortably in bright environments, whether you're working in a cafe or outside in the sun. This display can also handle streaming or gaming with rich, vivid visuals that enhance your media experience. In terms of storage, the 2TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD delivers ultra-fast data transfer speeds and ample room for all your files, programs, and creative projects. Running multiple large applications simultaneously is no issue, and the solid-state drive ensures quick boot times and near-instant file access. Speaking of entertainment, the LG Gram is equipped with Dolby Atmos, bringing immersive 360-degree sound to your music, movies, and games. Whether you're watching a movie or listening to your favorite playlist, the audio experience is vibrant and full. Plus, with Intel Unison, you can seamlessly connect your laptop to other devices, allowing you to make calls, send messages, and stay notified without interruption. For those who are always on the go, the 80 Wh/H battery is a game changer. Offering excellent battery life, it can keep you going throughout a long day of work, streaming, or even light gaming. The battery is designed to be energy efficient, so you can focus on the task at hand without constantly worrying about finding an outlet. Charging is quick and hassle-free with a redesigned mini adapter, which is compact enough to slip into your bag with ease. Durability is another major highlight. The LG Gram meets MEAL STD 810H military-grade standards, ensuring that it can withstand harsh conditions such as temperature extremes, vibrations, and drops. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable, tough laptop for both work and play in challenging environments. When it comes to connectivity, the LG Gram does not disappoint. It includes 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports for high-speed data transfer and external monitor support, as well as 2 USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, a headphone jack, and a microSD card slot for added flexibility. Whether you need to connect to external displays, USB drives, or other peripherals, the LG Gram has you covered. As far as performance goes, the laptop shines. It handles typical office tasks, web browsing, document editing, video conferencing, with ease. When you switch to content creation, the 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB SSD ensure a lag-free experience during tasks like photo editing and video exports. Even demanding games and media editing workflows are handled without significant slowdowns, thanks to the 13th Gen Intel Core i7 CPU and Iris Xe graphics. However, it's not perfect. While the performance is solid for most tasks, the lack of a dedicated GPU may limit gaming performance on the highest settings for graphically intense games. If you're aiming to play AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Red Dead Redemption 2 at ultra settings, the graphics may struggle. For more casual gaming, though, it performs admirably. In terms of thermals, the LG Gram stays relatively cool during normal use, but under heavy load like video editing or gaming, the laptop does get warm. However, it doesn't reach uncomfortable levels, and fan noise remains relatively quiet, an important factor if you need a peaceful environment for work. The build quality is top-notch, with a premium feel that's lightweight and durable. At just 2.6 pounds, the LG Gram is one of the lightest 16-inch laptops available, making it a fantastic choice for those who need a powerful laptop that's easy to carry around all day. The materials feel solid, and the hinge is robust, ensuring the laptop can handle being transported in and out of bags or used on the go without issue. Looking at its price point, the LG Gram 16-inch is on the premium side, but the features, especially the lightweight design, powerful specs, and military-grade durability, make it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize portability and performance. Its competitors, like the MacBook Pro 16-inch or the Microsoft Surface Laptop 5, offer similar performance but with different strengths in areas like display quality or ecosystem integration. However, the LG Gram stands out with its ultra-lightweight chassis and exceptional connectivity options. For students, professionals, and content creators who need a reliable, portable, and powerful laptop, the LG Gram 16-inch is a strong contender. It handles multitasking, media creation, and general productivity with ease, while its excellent battery life and durability make it a solid choice for those who work and travel frequently. If you're a gamer or need extreme graphical performance, you might want to consider a laptop with a dedicated GPU. In conclusion, the LG Gram 16-inch offers a fantastic balance of power, portability, and display quality. It's perfect for anyone who needs a versatile laptop for both work and play, with the added bonus of military-grade durability and great battery life. While it may not be ideal for hardcore gamers, it's a top-notch choice for productivity, media consumption, and content creation.